What's up, guys? It's Kayaking Fishing. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be taking the kayaks through what we call the Narrows. There's lots of really big pike in this area. It's super fun to rip the kayaks up and down and just troll through here. We might be trying out a little bit of the lake that's connected to it. We'll just see how it goes. Let's go catch some fish. So guys, first off, we're just going to be kind of gliding through these channels. Just going to be trying out different hooks, seeing what the fish are biting on today. And then once we get our first bite, we'll stick with that. Lots of weeds. Obviously we have to use the kayaks in this area. We can't bring the boat. Not allowed. Gas engines. It is an absolutely beautiful day out. Perfect for fishing, at least. It's only about 10 degrees. There's not a breath of wind. And it's been overcast all day so far. I guess it's only 8. But haven't found our first bite yet. Oh, he's really small.
Look at him. He's so cute.
Brandon just got the first fish of the day. Just a teeny little pike. Bye, buddy. Hooked up with my first fish of the day. I think it's just another little one. He's decent. He's nothing big. It's pretty small. Come on, pal. Me and Brianna just doubled up. She's got one on right now. Bigger than your last one? So we weren't having any luck out in the channel, so we moved out onto the lake, and within 15 minutes we already had our third fish. On that last double up, Brianna's fish, we got it to the boat. When I went to grab it, it shook the hook, but we're gonna keep on casting and see if we can get some more. Damn, I just had one. We got off. I'm hooked up again. I literally said that too. Oh crap! Whoa. Might need the net for this guy. Oh. No, I don't think so. I haven't really seen him yet. Oh! Nah, he's not bad. With the bite that we're having so far, me and Brianna are going to kind of turn it into a little competition. We found the right spot and they're pretty much biting on everything. So Brianna's at 2 and I'm at 2. We'll just see who wins. Brianna's on again over there. We'll see how big it is. I guess now she's up 3-2. Here's Brianna's third fish of the day. And she takes the lead.
Woo!
My third fish. I think I'm stuck on the ground. Oh, what the hell? Oh, my pike was stuck on the ground. Whoa. My pike is stuck in the weeds. There he is. Oh, look at him, he's barely hooked. Actually not a bad one. There you go. My third fish to tie it up with Brianna. Yep. Oh gosh. She got slapped by the fish.
In the face?
Pretty much.
I know why you did it.
Did what? No, that hook's fine. I'm hooked up on my fourth fish. Ooh, we got a feisty one. And now he's gonna swim right at me. Whoa. Here's my fourth fish of the day. Brianna is on with her fourth. Oh, it's just a little one. Brianna's fourth for the day. Brianna's hooked up with her fifth fish. Just a really small one. Brianna's fifth fish of the day. Really tiny one. I'm hooked up with my fifth fish of the day. Another little one. Alright, here's my 5th fish of the day. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap it up out here. We had a pretty awesome day. Me and Brianna ended up tying. We both had 5. It was crazy action though. Pretty much every second or third cast, you'd have at least a bite. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, make sure you go hit that like and subscribe. Also, go throw a comment down and let me know what kind of videos you like better. If you like the boat, or if you like the kayaks, or if you like river fishing. I'd like to hear your guys' feedback on what you like to see. Stay tuned for more, guys. Going past a big old beaver dam.